Yes! Oh. Okay, let's go. I guess that's the final boss. How do I kill this guy? Shit! Fucking hell! More? Fuck! What? Oh, fuck! Hehe. Disgusting. Should I shoot this thing? Oh! Okay. Yes! Let's do this, boy! You're gonna feel my wrath. I'm coming, bitch! Ooh! No! Shit. Oh. What? Oh, fuck. Shit, you pieces of fuck. I know what to do now. It's over. Oh. Yes! You motherfuckers. Yes, yes. Oh, yes. Fuck you. Oh shit, what? What's going on? Oh, it's the final cinematic! Oh yeah! Oh, amazing! Oh, oh shit, there's another one! What? What? Is that Lord of the Rings now? Les mondes, Paris tombe. Get a life. Oh, what a piece of shit. I mean, it's a free mod, so I guess it's okay. Every level is a bit different, trying different things. It's all about the place, but it's pretty cool. I wouldn't recommend it. I mean, it's pretty generic as fuck. It was moderately fun, I guess. So that's Get a Life. It's like a bad relationship. You want it to end, but you also kind of love it. I'm gonna miss you, Get a Life. The more I think about it, man, Let's Players are insane. They're completely insane. The idea of just talking by yourself like this, it's completely nuts. I mean, think about it. You think I'm talking to you, but I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to empty space. This is insane. God damn it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the Let's Play. And no, that wasn't a Let's Play, right? That's like a highlight Let's Play something. I don't fucking know. Just whatever I feel like making.